Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and these are my trash can nachos.
Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Let's start putting together our trash can nachos. So we're gonna start off with chips down at the bottom. Get a little bit of a layer down there. Now we're gonna go in with some refried beans. Make sure you get some good coverage on that. This is moose meat and Chef Dad's breakfast sausage. What kind of cheese is this? Nacho cheese. Don't be shy. Make it yours. Tomatoes. Now we're gonna go on with some black olives. I like olives, so I'm not gonna be shy. This is just some Rotella. So get that in there. Then this is some queso fresca cheese. Just drape a little bit in there. Some onion. Now in with some avocado. Hit it with some crema and we'll build the next level. Don't be shy, you can get it edge to edge, it's okay. Okay, now we need more chips. So just make sure they get a good coverage. And do it all over again. I do like me some refried beans. Then on with our moose meat and our Chef Dad breakfast sausage. Now on with our nacho cheese, tomatoes, olives, Rotella, some queso fresca, onions. Need more colors. Roy G. Biv. She taught me something. Now let's go back in with some crema, Mexican crema. I think we can get one more good layer on here. So on again with our chips, some refried beans, meat, and then with some cheese. Make it look pretty. If you think it needs something, add something. Might as well just do a little bit more nacho cheese. Then we'll go on with our green onions and some cilantro. Like it, hate it, tastes like soap to some people. Do what you want. Trash can nachos are built. Beautiful. It worked. I'm happy with it. Leaning tower of cheese fell over. Let's just go in and get a bite. It's nachos. It tastes good. All right, everybody. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked this video for you. Right over here, I probably got cheese in my face. There's a subscription button. Push it. I appreciate every one of you.
Doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb.